How to change Siri settings on MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Do you want to customize how Siri works on your MacBook? Whether you want to change the Siri's voice, keyboard shortcut, language, or activation settings, this video will show you how. Head over to System Settings, then go to Apple Intelligence and Siri. There, make sure that you have toggled on Siri and set it up. You can choose listen for these three options, and then you can choose allow Siri when unlocked. You can use keyboard shortcut like press this key, hold option space, or hold command space, and this will enable Siri for you. You can change the language of your preference. You can choose the voice of your preference. Just tap on the voice, and then you can listen to the preview. You can have various accents like American, Australian, British, Indian, Irish, or even South African. You can choose to delete Siri and dictation history if you want to start anew. So this is how you change Siri settings on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.